IELTS speaking tips. Same question, different band scores. Do you like going to street markets? Band 5. Answer.
I like going to street markets because they are interesting. I can find cheap things and different foods. Sometimes it is too crowded, so I don't go often.
Why is this a Band 5? Fluency and coherence. Simple ideas, short statements, some hesitation. Lexical resource, basic vocabulary, occasional stretching. Grammar, mostly simple sentences, errors present. Pronunciation, clear enough but with noticeable issues. Typical of Band 5, communicates meaning but lacks complexity and range. Band 7.5 Answer.
Yes, I really enjoy visiting street markets because they have a lively atmosphere and I can discover items I wouldn't normally find in regular shops. I also like trying the local snacks, although the crowds can be a bit overwhelming at times.
Why is this a Band 7.5? Fluency and coherence, smooth, extended answers with clear organization. Lexical resource, good range, lively atmosphere, discover items. Grammar, mostly accurate with some complex structures. Pronunciation, generally clear and natural. Typical of Band 7.5, strong control with occasional slips. Band 9 Answer.
Absolutely. I love going to street markets because they offer a unique blend of culture, creativity, and unpredictability. You can stumble upon handmade crafts, taste freshly prepared food, and enjoy the energy of people bargaining and socializing. It feels far more authentic than shopping in a mall.
Why is this a Band 9? Fluency and coherence, effortless, natural flow with fully developed ideas. Lexical resource, precise and sophisticated vocabulary, authentic, unpredictability, handmade crafts. Grammar, fully flexible and accurate. Pronunciation, natural, expressive, with clear rhythm and intonation. Typical of Band 9, exceptionally clear, natural, and controlled. Now it's your turn. How would you answer this question? Drop your answer in the comments, and I'll let you know if it sounds more like Band 5, 7, or 9. And don't forget to subscribe for more IELTS speaking hacks. Thank you. Please like and subscribe. See you tomorrow.